Hello friends, this is Dr. Shashi Agarwal. I welcome you all. Today our subject is economic development and policy in India, and the topic is what are the features of underdeveloped economy, what are the characteristics of the underdeveloped countries. For the topic characteristics of the underdeveloped country, we are going to cover what is the meaning of underdeveloped economy, underdeveloped country, what are the characteristics, what are the features, and we will be covering the characteristics of the underdeveloped countries in two parts. Its written note they will be available at my blog. Even its lecture will also be available in Hindi at my second channel, that is the Shashi Agarwal Economics and Law classes. First of all, we will understand what is the criteria of defining the underdeveloped economy. Like World Development Report 2016 classified the economies of the world on the basis of per capita income. We could call those economies high income economies whose gross national per capita income is US dollar 12,736 and more, and the middle income economies are those the per capita income lies between the US dollar 10462 US dollar 12,735, and the low income economies are those whose per capita income is less than US dollar 1046. High income economies are usually considered they are the developed economies, and the low income economies are always thought of as the underdeveloped economies. But all high income countries, they are not developed countries. Like the Middle East oil producing countries, they fall under the category high income economies, but they are not treated as the developed nations. We could also categorize on the basis of the economies which are lying in the southern hemisphere, they are called the less developed countries, and the economies which lies in the northern hemisphere, they are called the developed economies. Some economists classify the first word means developed nation, and the second word means the communist, and the third word they are the underdeveloped economies. So it's very difficult to classify this economy is underdeveloped or this economy is developed nation. Underdeveloped economies, they have the potential growth in terms of their physical, natural and human resources. But when they have the potential to become the economies which have the potential, those economies they are called the developing economies. And there is very difficult to suggest a common criteria for the classification. It's a developed or it's a underdeveloped. Like USA, Russia and Germany, they have abundance of natural resources and they are called developed economies. But some countries like Latin America and African countries, they have abundance of natural resources, but still they are called the underdeveloped economies. Canada, Australia, France, Britain and Switzerland are thinly populated. So they are advanced nation if we say on the basis of population. Congo, Guinea, Sudan, Argentina and Nepal, they are also thinly populated, but they are called underdeveloped economies. So it's very difficult to classify a common criteria for developed or underdeveloped. We could classify them developed or underdeveloped on the basis of some basic characteristics: low per capita income, low level of living, high rate of population, high level of unemployment, etc. Underdeveloped economies means they are having the low level of development when we compare with the advanced nations. They have the poor quality of life. There is the absolute poverty. These people, they don't have the basic things to enjoy the life, and there is widespread of poverty and underutilization of the natural sources, and the techniques which are used for the production, that is conventional, outdated and backward. Underdeveloped economies are those economies where development potential are very bleak. UNO group experts define the underdeveloped economies are those economies where per capita real income is low. When we compare with per capita real income of the United States of America, Canada, Australia and Western Europe, when we compare the nations with the advanced nations, when their per capita real income is low, then we could say this is the underdeveloped country. MP Todorov, underdeveloped economy is that economy in which there are low level of living, absolute poverty, low per capita income, low consumption level, poor health services, high death rates, high birth rate and dependence on foreign countries. Underdeveloped countries are those countries where the low per capita real income is very low and the people they have low level of standard. It is also characterized by the existence in greater or less degree of underutilized human and natural resources. Their resources they are underutilized or unutilized because these economies they have a low level of saving, due to which they have a low level of capital formation, and the techniques of production they are outdated techniques they are using, technologically they are backward. They have good potential prospect and the people are very excited and they want to have high standard of living. Underdeveloped country, when we talk about the underdeveloped country, it is a relative concept. Relative means where we could compare with it and we could say it's a underdeveloped or developed. When we compare a group of countries with other, or when we compare one country with another, and we could say its per capita income is low, its death rate, basic facilities are less or more. So underdeveloped country is a relative concept. On the comparison we could say, we could classify it, say developed or underdeveloped. Underdeveloped economies are those economies which have absolute poverty. Absolute poverty means they are deprived of the basic necessities like roti, kapra and makan. Underdeveloped country is not a potential poor country. They have the potential to grow. They have natural resources. They have human beings which are underutilized or unutilized. So what are the characteristics of the underdeveloped economies? What are the features of underdeveloped economies? Low per capita income is the main reason of the less developed countries. According to World Development Report 2016, the countries whose per capita income is US dollar 1045 and less, per capita income of some countries on the basis of purchasing power parity for 2015. Like here we see Switzerland, US dollar 61,930. And we talk about India, then we have US dollar 6020. Like when we compare, definitely as compared to Switzerland, we are underdeveloped nation. USA it is US dollar 56,430, Germany it is 48,260. Pakistan it is US dollar 5350, Bangladesh it is US dollar 3550, Ethiopia is very less, US dollar 1620. Economic inequality, that is the gap between the rich and poor, is generally greater in less developed countries as compared to the developed nations. UK, Australia, they are called the developed nations, and their quantile ratio is which is calculated average income of the 20% of the population to the average income of the poorest. In UK and Australia, it is 7.6 and Australia it is 5.8 respectively. But underdeveloped Haiti, Kenya, it is much more. It is 26% in Haiti and in Kenya it is 11%. Gini coefficient, reflecting the extent of inequality or skewness of the distribution, is extremely high in poor countries like Colombia, Haiti or Kenya. The gap between the rich and poor is very much high, 59.2%, 47.7% in Haiti. UK it's 38%, Australia it is 34%. Along with the economic inequalities, the underdeveloped economies, they have general poverty, absolute poverty also. Low level of living. Karen Cross says underdeveloped countries, they are the slum of the world. And the level of living and the poor quality life is present in the less developed countries. Level of living of the people of the country is not determined by the per capita income, but also large extent it is also influenced by the availability of healthcare facilities, housing condition, literacy rate, quality of education, etc. Developed countries like USA, France, UK per capita daily consumption of calorie is much more as compared to the underdeveloped nations. In the USA, it is 3642 per person. The consumption of calories is this much. In France, it is 3593. In UK, it is 3270. When we talk about India, it is only 2400. Bangladesh, it is 2000, and Kenya, it is 2100. Global health statistics indicate per 1000 person they are having zero point 0.7 doctor in India, and in Switzerland it is 4 per 1000. And the level of literacy is 34% in underdeveloped countries as compared to 93% in the developed nations. Human Development Index, which is prepared by the United Nations Development Program, the level of living is very poor. Developed countries, it is lies between zero point 0.8 to zero point 0.9. Underdeveloped countries, it varies 0.3 to 0.6. Deficiency of capital. The average rate of domestic capital formation is 17%. Developed nation 23%. Recent years they have seen the rate of saving is increasing in some developing economies. In 2013 and 2014, gross domestic saving at current prices was estimated to be 30.6 in India, gross capital formation 32.3. Rate of saving in China is 40%. And the capital deficiency leads to the low capital and labor ratio, because the availability of capital per labor is very low, and the capital labor ratio is very low as a result of the workers, they are having shortage of machinery and they are using less capitals, their productivity is low, and that is why their earning income very low. And they are caught in the vicious circle of the poverty. Vicious circle of the poverty means they are caught in the web of cause, where we could not identify this is the cause or this is the effect. Capital formation is low because low rate of saving and low investment opportunities, due to which the income is very low, and we could say income is very low, the productivity is very low. So the people, they have low income, and low income means low saving means low capital formation. Shortage of capital is a cause also and effect of low productivity. High income economies, Australia it is 28%, UK it is 17%, USA it is 20%, China it is 49%, and India it is 33%. The backward techniques of production is shown by high cost of production, high labor capital ratio along with the high capital output ratio. Generally, the underdeveloped nations, because they are using less backward techniques, traditional techniques, so their cost of production is much more high. Efficiency of labor is very low. Per capita production both in agriculture and industrial sector is very low, because they are using the traditional techniques and backward and outdated technology. Underdeveloped natural sources are not being utilized properly. Africa, they possess 44% of the total water power, but utilization rate is only 0.11%. India too has not been able to make full use of the agriculture land, water resources and mineral reserve. And in some countries like Latin America, we have large deposit of gold, diamond, copper, tin, but still they are not properly utilized. High rate of population growth and dependency burden. Population has been growing at the rate of 1.3%. Developed nation it is 0.6. High growth rate of population is underdeveloped nation is caused by high birth rate. Birth rate underdeveloped country it lies between 30 and 40 per thousand. Developed nations varies between 10 and 13 per thousand. Developed nation USA it is equal to 0.9, Germany 0 rate, Japan 0 rate, UK and France it is 0.6. And the underdeveloped nation the growth rate of population from 2000 to 2012, India it is 1.4, Pakistan it is 1.8, Sri Lanka it is 0.5, Kenya it is 2.7 and Indonesia it is 0.5.